Hi, this is Judy Minen from Angel Care Healing Touch, and this is our first 5-minute offering training in pendulum work. We're going to be talking today about what is a pendulum, how you can use it, and what you use it for, and how does it work. So first of all, a pendulum is anything that will hang free from a string or a chain. It can be a crystal, a stone, a necklace, anything that you have that means something to you or that you can pick up, such as the pendulums behind me. I do sell them. You can buy them at a lot of stores. So anything that really works for you is perfect. Like I say, Lifesaver on a piece of floss works really well too. Some of the books that we do use that talk about what a pendulum is and how to use it is the Pendulum Magic for Beginners by Richard Webster. Another one is the Pendulum Charts by Dale Olson. And in this book, he's got a lot of different charts that you can use for herbal remedies. You can use them. This one is on, herbal remedies too. So allergies, whatever it is, this book will have a chart for it pretty much. Or you can design your own. So those books are helpful. The Hands of Light book that's behind me also by Barbara Brennan. She speaks in there about the use of the pendulum for doing healing work and what the swings mean to her for healing on the body. So then how does it work? The physics laws behind it are mainly field theory, and field theory says that all molecules and all energy is in immediate connection with each other all the time. So basically, what you think about, you bring about. When you think in action, it has an electrical charge to it that focuses on what you are aiming at with your thoughts, what you're thinking about. So when you're holding your arm steady on a table or on the chair arm, you hold up the pendulum, you let your arm just hang, just be relaxed, and then hold the pendulum between the thumb and the forefinger, as I have here. And then you can ask your question. So there's two modes for this. First, you're telling the pendulum what to do, and then the second point of it is that you can step back and let the universe, your body, the person you're doing healing work on, answer through the pendulum. So first of all, to the first point of it, to tell it what to do, you would say to it and think to it. You don't have to say it out loud, but you can think to it, go clockwise. And then you can think to it, go counterclockwise. Or you can think to it to go back and forth in front of you. Or you can think to it to go to and away from you. So however you're thinking, when you are telling it what to do, it's going to do what you ask it to because of physics laws. So field theory is what you want to remember. So when you are then, the second part of it, standing back in neutral and saying, okay, now I'm going to ask a question and I want the pendulum to answer. I'm not going to try to influence or command it. So then you would stand back and say, okay, show me a yes answer. And show me a no answer. And then you can ask it questions according to what it is you're working on. So if I'm saying, okay, what I'm looking for a brand of vitamin C, do I need vitamin C right now? Okay, my body is saying yes. Then I can think about, okay, the now brand of vitamin C, would that work for me? Okay, yes. And then I can ask it about the number of milligrams and how many times a day I need to use that. And each day may be different. So the pendulum is helpful to use on a regular basis. So then the other thing is when I'm checking chakras, I can say, okay, show me my throat chakra, show me my heart chakra, show me my solar plexus, and I can go through my entire chakra system or the person I'm working on, or if I'm on a phone session, I'm usually checking their chakras and helping them get balanced while we're doing an angel reading on the phone. So how these are the main uses of the pendulum that I use them for. Usually the questions are they're not overly serious, but we're wanting a therapeutic response to it. It's not just a parlor game to me. It's more, I want a therapeutic answer to the question. So this is mainly what I use the pendulum for. If you have any other questions or suggestions, please let me know. I'd be happy to set up an appointment or to look at doing a group session with you and some friends if you're interested in that. So just give me a call. My website is angelcarehealingtouch.com. I look forward to seeing you in the next training.